This is Riutech Refrigeration and Air Conditioner Specialist and Appliances Repair. Today guys, I have this motor. It's for a Samsung front loader automatic washing machine. This is the wiring diagram. It uses 220 to 240 volts, and then when you check it there on the wiring diagram, that's where is the terminal block. Number 1 is open space, number 2 is the brush, number 3 is the brush also. So number 2 and 3 is the brushes, and then when you go to number 4 and 5, this is the main windings, and then 6 and 7 frequent generator, or what you call it, a speed sensor. Okay guys, so what you want to do now, I just want to check the resistance to make sure this motor is working perfect. You have to use your multimeter and then turn your diode here to the ohm settings. So okay, so we come here to number 2 and 3 as follows on the wiring diagram, because we follow a wiring diagram guys. 2 and 3 and we just check the resistance. Let's check the resistance. Okay, which is 25.8. 2 and 3, this is the brushes guys, this is the resistance on the multimeter. And then let's go on number 4 and 5 for the main windings. 4 and 5, let's check 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand here. I'm using one hand. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Yes, this is the resistance for the main windings, which is 4 and 5 guys. You can see here on the wiring diagram, 3 ohms. Let's go for the speed generator, or what you call it, a speed sensor, which is 6 and 7. 6 and 7, you can see here. This is the resistance guys for this motor. Here's the terminals which I put my leads. You can see it here guys, 2.1 ohms. Okay, right, so now we just want to make sure this motor is not shorted to the ground. So what I'm going to do, I put 1 lead on the case and then 1 lead on the terminal. It must show you open socket or OL, which is open line. There's no connection between these terminals and then the case. I go to terminal number 2, open line again. Terminal number 3, open line again. Terminal number 4, open line again, open line again, open line again. So it shows us this motor is not shorted to the ground. So that's how you test your washing machine for a front loader Samsung, using your multimeter on the ohms scale guys. Thank you. Please share, subscribe and like our video. Thank you.